If you're facing this error message, your PC ran into a problem and need to restart, then don't worry, I got this problem fixed. Simply follow our steps. First, completely shut down your computer. Press and hold the power button until it turns off. Now disconnect everything that isn't required to start the computer. Remove all USB flash drive, external hard drive, printer, USB hub, memory card reader or any other external accessories. Leave only your keyboard and mouse connected. Once unnecessary device is disconnected, turn the computer back on. If Windows start normally, then one of the external device was most likely causing the crash. You can reconnect your devices one by one later to identify which one is creating the problem. If the blue screen still appears, the next step is to start Windows in safe mode. Force the computer to shut down during the startup 3 times. You need to press and hold the power button until it turns off. Then again turn it back on by pressing the power button and do the same thing 3 times. After the 3rd attempt, Windows should automatically open the automatic repair screen. From there, select advanced option. Then you will see screen like this. Click on troubleshoot, advanced options, then startup settings. Click on restart. Here you can see an option, press a number to choose from option below. On your keyboard, press F4 to start in safe mode. After Windows load in safe mode, right click on start icon, select device manager. Now look for the hardware category that you suspect might be causing the issue, such as display adapter, network adapter, or any recent installed hardware. Simply expand the driver, right click on that device and select uninstall device. This removes the faulty driver configured that might be triggering the blue screen. After uninstalling, click on start and restart your PC. And don't worry about it, Windows will usually reinstall the correct driver automatically. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Facebook or Instagram page.